Mangoes are sweet, creamy fruits that have a range of possible health benefits. The nutrients that mango contain may help boost eye, skin, and hair health, and prevent cancer and heart disease. Consuming mangoes has a variety of health benefits that can help protect and strengthen the body. Mangoes have antioxidant properties. A bioactive compound of the mango can protect against several human cancer types, including lung, colon, breast, and neuronal cancers. The nutrients such as fiber, potassium, and vitamins in mangoes helps keep the arteries working and reduces the risk. Mangoes also support hair health as they provide a good amount of vitamin A. Vitamin A is also important source for the growth of all bodily tissues, including the skin and hair. Mangoes are a good source of vitamins and minerals. They can contribute to the daily requirement for several nutrients. They are a great source of magnesium and potassium, both of which are connected to lower blood pressure and a regular pulse. Mangoes are the source of a compound known as mangiferin, which early studies suggest may be able to reduce inflammation of the heart. Mangoes can help stabilize your digestive system. Mangoes contain high level of vitamin C, fiber, and pectin, making it a perfect fruit that helps in controlling high cholesterol level. Another benefit of eating mangoes is that it cleanses your skin from deep inside your body. It treats pores and gives a glow to your skin. Hence, eat mangoes to get a flawless skin.